Borsato. Let this handsome boy surprise you. Borsato, 9-year-old bay gelding by Bellissimo. His sire is a stallion of many records, starting at a young age. Finalist at the Young Dressage Horse World Championship in 2010. 30 approved sons and no less than 51 premium mares. The exceptional stallion sire is Beltin, a Bolero son. Dame Roxa is a Romadour II daughter. However, Borsato's dam Wijnperle is also renowned. How nice to know that your father is called Wijnzauber and your mother Florida is a Florestan daughter. Florestan, a legend, passed away 3 years ago at the age of 26 after a life of successes. Purchased by Landgestüt Warendorf and shining star at a famous stallion performance test with a total index of 129 points. Winner in both dressage and show jumping classes. And what an offspring! 90 approved sons, among the first stallions to breed with 500 mares in just one season, creating a line of his own. Bellissimo is not only the famous sire of Borsato, he's also sired Bella Rose, the unforgettable Grand Prix horse of 7-time Olympic medalist Isabelle Wert. According to Wert, her best horse ever, Queen of the House. What about Borsato? Well on his way to follow in his distinguished sire and sister's footsteps. Look at the elasticity and lightness of his movements. Let his good results obtained at various competitions convince you. Gent, Zandhoven, Hulsterlo. The future awaits for this elegant and powerful Borsato.